All right, guys, my glasses are charging. So we're using my phone now. Now I'm going to be packing for my husband. It's just something I like to do. He doesn't ask me to do this. It's just I'm OCD, and so I like to pack for him, make sure he has an outfit every day, make sure he doesn't forget anything because he tends to be forgetful. So that's what I'll be walking through now, is packing for an Alaskan cruise for guys. Don't mind our mess, guys. This is our closet. I don't know why, but packing for my husband is always way easier than packing for myself. So as you can see, for my husband, we've packed a lot of long sleeves. He's a pretty warm person, so I don't think he's going to need a jacket over anything, obviously, unless it's raining. But on the ship, can be a little chilly and then windy, so mainly long sleeves here going on. A few jackets if needed. And I'll probably pack him a few t-shirts that were just missing. Again, we were going over the 4th of July, so 250th year. We got him a cool little shirt to celebrate that. One of our nights is tropical nights, so we got him a Tommy Bahama shirt that he already has. All that fun stuff, so keep watching. Can't forget the infamous rain jacket. So again, we're sticking with layers. He's bringing mostly long sleeve shirts, a few short sleeve shirts, a sweater, warm jacket, a rain jacket, because you never really know what Alaska's weather's going to do. We're also packing 2 pairs of pajamas, a couple workout outfits, a few pairs of jeans, and some trail pants for hiking and exploring, and shorts for the warmer days in Seattle and Victoria, or just hanging around the ship. For shoes, he's bringing hiking shoes for exploring, tennis shoes for running and walking around the ship, dress shoes for formal nights, and a pair of flip-flops for the pool and hot tubs. And of course, we can't forget the basics: belts, underwear, and plenty of socks. Overall, guys are pretty easy to pack for. Perfect. All right, guys, we are officially 99% packed. I'm about to show you our suitcases. Most of them still open so that things don't wrinkle. This is our primary suitcase with mainly my stuff and some of my husband's shoes and other things. We got our carry-on that of course has our outfits for Seattle, plus swimsuits for when we get on the cruise ship, hygiene stuff that we'll need, things of that nature. Make sure nothing is over 3 ounces in this. This one's already shut, but it has all my electronics and everything in it. Girls' suitcase, plenty of clothes there, barely can shut. Then we have my husband's suitcase with just his clothes in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 check bags, 1 carry-on, and 2 backpacks. Do you think I packed too much? I guess we'll find out, but let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys.